Place security cameras so bright outdoor lights do not point directly into the lens and wash out important details. When positioning an outdoor camera, first map every fixed light source and note the beam angles and typical night direction, because lights aimed toward a camera will create flare and silhouette subjects. Choose mounting points that put the camera just outside the direct cone of each fixture and lower the camera tilt so the light is outside the captured field while still covering entry paths. Use cameras with wide, dynamic range or backlight compensation and set exposure priorities to preserve subject detail in high contrast scenes, and test at night with a live feed to tweak settings rather than relying on daytime placement alone. If a needed light still causes glare, replace or retrofit the fixture with a shielded or full cutoff design that directs illumination downward and away from the lens. Consider moving lights a few feet laterally or changing their aim so they illuminate walkways but not camera fields. And when possible, coordinate camera and light placement so lights illuminate faces from behind the camera, not toward it. For motion-triggered lights and cameras, stagger their fields and delays so a light activation does not immediately blind the camera or trigger repeated false alarms. Common issues start with mounting cameras facing a bright lamp so everything beyond the lamp becomes silhouetted. Fix this by re-aiming the camera, moving the lamp, or adding a hood to the camera. Another problem is cameras with poor dynamic range that wash out scenes when a car headlights pass. Address this by selecting cameras with wide dynamic range and adjusting exposure settings to prioritize faces. A third frequent concern is motion-triggered floodlights, activating too close to the camera and causing repeated false events. Resolve this by adjusting sensor zones and delays, relocating either the light or camera a few feet, or switching the light to a lower intensity or different trigger logic. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and share real experiences about camera and lighting setups so we can make better placement choices. We connect contractors with nearby jobs and host a discussion community where we and others exchange practical tips and photos to improve lighting-aware camera installation.